Welcome back everyone, this is Starluck and today we're gonna talk about musicality. Are you struggling with musicality? Are you sitting there watching those battles and seeing those dancers killing every song, even if they never heard of it before? Today, we're gonna dive into that and see what we can learn from it and how do they actually do it, man. Musicality, like most topics around dance, it's not the one thing that you're gonna say, yeah, do this and then it's gonna be okay, it's gonna be perfect, don't worry about it. No. Musicality is deep. Musicality goes even deeper than just listening to the sound and being able to separate the instruments and the patterns and stuff like that. Although this is very useful to be able to recognize each different instrument and recognize the patterns fast so you can understand the loops and stuff like that. It's very important, but for me at least, musicality goes even further than that. It goes into how do you interpret the sound that you're listening to. We might listen to the same rhythm, but we're not gonna move the same way because each rhythm can inspire different things in each person. But this is part of the creativity part of musicality. We're talking here about musicality as it is. A big part of musicality skills is listening to songs. Wow. No cap, I'm not gonna try to make it as musicality is a gift from God. No. Listening to songs over and over and over and over and over. The more genres you listen to, the more songs you're listening to, the better you're gonna get in pattern and sound recognition. This is it, plain and simple. But how can I, as a beginner, as someone that didn't have the time yet, didn't have the years of listening to music this way in order to start searching deeper to understand the patterns, the layers of the songs, blah, blah, blah. What can I do now? So in my next round, in my next battle, in my next whatever, I'm gonna be able to be in the song and maybe even do a kill beat for the first time. Listen to me. Music has a composition. Music is created in a certain way. There are different kinds of music and different ways of composing music, but in the grand scale, most songs are made in fours. We dancers, we say 8 because it's better, it's easier for our understanding, but music is being created in fours. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We dancers count in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The most basic, the most easy, the most calculable way to kill a song that you don't know, first of all, find out the one. The one is the start. So listen to the song and find out the boom, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to understand the one, listen to funk. Funk music has the one with a very high beat. So there you're gonna understand the one very, 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 very easily. In hip hop songs, the bigger sound is more on the 2 and the 4. It goes like boom, ka, boom, ka, boom, ka, boom, ka. So there you're gonna understand better the 2s and the 4s. But we find the 1, and from there we start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. 4 8s. 4 8s is the magic number. After 4 8s, my friend, around the end of the 4th 8, and of course the 1 of the 5th 8, there's gonna be a big change in the song. Maybe it's gonna go from, I don't know, from the verse to a bridge, or to a refrain, to a whatever. It's gonna change a part in the song, but like big change, okay? Have this in mind. Listen to any song you know, any song you like to dance to, and then just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, When you arrive to the fourth one, hear the end of it and the beginning of the fifth one. It's gonna go bam! Something's gonna be there. Something's gonna change in the song. Very big. This is another way to understand where is the first 8 that I'm saying, that you need to find the one of the first 8. Now, in between those 4, right in the middle, there is also a change. So after 2 8s, the start of the third 8, there is also gonna be a change. It's gonna be smaller though. So in 4 8s, maybe it's gonna go from a verse to a bridge. In the third 8 though, it's just gonna have an accent, something that's gonna add something to the song, something that's gonna put some force into it. So have your mind on that as well. So we said 1. 1 usually is strong, but it depends on the music style. Funk 1, hip hop 2. After that we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can also have the same note that you're listening to the 1, because like we said, music is being created in 4s. We dancers said to count in 8s. So the 1 and the 5, the 1 and the 5 are actually the same thing. So what you hear in 1, you're gonna hear it in 5, right? 1 and 5. You hear a song that goes tss on the 1, it's gonna go tss on the 5. You hear the song that goes boom on the 1, it's gonna go boom on the 5. Okay? Again, this is not 1,000,000% the principle of nature and stuff like that. No, this is just approximately what happens in most songs. Some other songs are created in 3s. These are more complicated songs. Some others are in 5s. Some others, they are still in 4s, but then like middle way, they're gonna turn to a 10 count and then they're gonna come back. Like, that's why I said it's very important to just listen to music, listen to different genres of music, spend time consciously listening and digging in the layers of the songs, the different instruments, the different patterns of each instrument, and then through spending time in that conscious listening mode, whenever something new comes up, your ears are gonna try to find out the patterns. Our brains are made for survival. Our brains are calculating machines that are always there to keep you safe from danger, from the unknown. Every time something new happens, your brain is gonna dig everywhere in itself to find out if it found a similar experience before, and it's gonna try to match it and guess what's gonna happen. That's how you do it. Basically, most dancers, when you see them getting into songs that they don't know, that they hear for the first time, and they manage to get notes and hidden notes and stuff like that that they shouldn't be able to because it's a new song, because there's nothing new under the sun, and because there are some patterns that are very known in the music world and that respond to certain instruments and stuff like that. Their brains are so used to listening to those patterns that are related to each instrument and music types and stuff like that, that when they find it, their brain is directly matching it and is like, this is what's gonna happen most probably. So they do it. Sometimes it's gonna work, and the more trained your brain is and your reaction system is, the more capable you're gonna be to do it or go to do it and then stop if you see that something was missing or it's just not gonna work, and people might notice or people might not notice because shit happens, all right? We are freestyle dancers. This is not an easy job. This is not something everyone can do, and you're always allowed for interpreting a song your own way. So there is a thin line between yeah, he didn't really get the song and the artistic way of getting a song. So you just need to be smart about it. You thought there was gonna be something and there wasn't, develop from it. Do it again. Show that you can do it intentionally. Show that you can get out and in the song intentionally. Everything in artistry is about you believing in it and showing that it's intentional. When you do that, people are gonna follow. So, the one, power of the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5 are the same. 1 and 5 are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Small change when the third 8 is gonna come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom! Big change when the fifth 8 is gonna come. This is the basic of the basic. This is the core of the core of musicality, okay? Now, before we wrap this up, please leave a like, comment down below, share with anyone that you think might be interested and might find it helpful, and subscribe if you haven't already. This, my friends, is the start for you to get to the next level. So, try this one out if you haven't already. Test it with different kinds of songs, different genres. Train it to the max, and then tell me, am I true or not? Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next one, guys. And of course, if you need more musicality tips, just let me know in the comments down below.